Welcome to this Windows and computer channel and another little update today. So of course there was a cumulative update. I posted the video this morning. Cumulative update available for Windows 10 May 2019 update. I installed it on my computer, and of course it's kind of two updates that were together for fixing different bugs within Windows 10. Now, it's interesting because this morning I'm looking at different blogs, and a lot more people are actually seeing Windows 10 May 2019 update appear on your computer. So that means that a lot of what was actually preventing people from seeing the update, there was a blocking bug basically, seems to have been removed because a lot of people this morning are actually saying, hey, it's there. I finally see it. So that means the two updates that were pushed yesterday are fixing a lot of the problems that you people have been seeing. And, this actually shows you how the upgrade process of Windows 10 is kind of working. I mean, if there's something wrong with your computer, they know about it and they're not pushing the update yet. So this is showing you that you gotta wait, and it's better to wait and just be happy when it's there, and you have no real reason to push it. Honestly, of course, some of you that are real fans of and really tech enthusiasts have pushed it and wanted to push it because you wanted to see it right away. And I mean, the tech enthusiasts, it's okay. Here I'm directing mostly my recommendations on most people that view my videos here. A lot of people, because I got the core fans, the people that follow me and will watch all of my videos and find it interesting to see what's happening within the Windows world and the PC world. But a lot of people that stumbled upon my channel are here because they, were searching for a solution for something or for answers to some questions, came across my videos, and they got their answers probably most of the time. But the knowledge they have on the PC is limited, meaning that pushing an update that might go wrong could be a bad idea. And, honestly, once again, there's really not that much new stuff in there. There is some stuff, there's quite a lot of stuff. But when I say not a lot of new stuff, is for most people, there's really nothing that they probably will use. So that's why pushing it is for most people I think not an option. But if you're a tech enthusiast, of course, I'm gonna be the one that's gonna push it the first day. I mean, heck, I'm in the insider channels also. I like that. It's something that I love, but I am also capable of getting myself out of trouble if something doesn't work well. So the rollout is actually accelerating today. So you guys should see, a lot more people actually should see, and a lot of you that didn't see it before, and I already got at least a dozen messages and comments from people saying, "Hey, I see it this morning." Yep, a lot more people see it since the cumulative update yesterday, and that means the rollout of the May 2019 update is possibly getting into a new phase where it's going to actually speed up. But this is interesting because what I am wondering about on the May 2019 update is the fact that the for the first time this is a optional update. That means you're not being pushed, so people that don't really go and check out Windows Update might not see that it's there because a lot of people don't do that. So the rollout, even though it's probably going to go a little faster, I'm wondering up to what point it's going to roll out because the danger of having an optional update is that people will be spread among several different versions of Windows 10 suddenly. And that's going to be interesting because even for me, doing videos, I'm going to have to check out how, like right now, 60%, we learned yesterday, 61% are still on the April 2018. 30% are on the October 2018. Only 1 point some percent were on 2019, the May 2019 update. But all of that you got to take into account because what are the new features that people don't have, or if you talk about a feature, how is it different from one version to the other? It makes it a little more complicated right now. So if you want to check it out, just go to Windows Update and check out if it appears. Once again, don't be scared. If you go into Windows Updates, it won't be pushed. It's just going to show up as a separate update, and it's going to have a download and install button that you can click. And if you don't click on it, you're not being pushed. But once again, like I said, if you're on the 61% on the April 2018 update, well, you guys, a lot of you will have a automatic push to May 2019 update in the coming months. One question that was brought that is interesting. A couple of you have asked me if, people on the April 2018 update, can they move on to the October 2018 update? The problem is it's kind of too late because the May 2019 update is there, and you have no way of going to the October 2018 update because now the media creation tool is not giving you that update anymore. So you can't go to the October now. It's going to be moving on from the April 2018 directly to the May 2019. There's really no easy way to go into the October 2018 anymore. And it's okay. I mean, I think the May 2019 update is pretty stable and pretty good. And the blocking bugs are being removed, so more and more you guys are moving ahead. And there was a lot of fixes yesterday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.